It's funny. Yep, I got him too, yeah. Yeah, this doesn't have the TJ Maxx tag or Marshall's tag, unfortunately, but yeah, this was still the Marshalls and TJ Maxx in 2021 and 2022. Oh, yeah, and fun fact, mine is actually the 21 model. I'll prove that in a minute. Of course, the only ones that are on YouTube are the 2022, but yeah. But I guess I'm the only one to have this model. I know Jess TV also has it, but yeah. Look at it, these finally decided to put Spanish there. That's crap. Yep. Yep, 2021. Yep, told ya. There's proof. Mine's a 21 model. So mine's when it first came out, pretty much. It's still the same though, it's a 22 though. Yep, 521. Yeah, apparently there's only this one. I'm not sure why they didn't make a white version of this, but yeah, that's kind of weird, but yeah, alright. Here it is.